Trigonometry math solution. As it says, sin theta into sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta. Then second line, sin theta half into 2 sin 60 minus theta, 60 plus theta. Then 2 sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta. So there is a cos A B cos A. 60 plus theta, 60 minus theta. And then minus cos B minus A. 60 plus theta minus 60 plus theta. Then sin theta half. Cos I have to know first bracket. 60 plus theta, 60 minus theta. Plus theta minus theta cutting. Then cos 60 plus is 1, cos 1 dotted. Minus cos 60 minus theta minus 60 plus theta. Then 60 minus 60, cos minus 12 theta. Cos 100 is minus 1, minus half, and minus cos theta. So we have to calculate half into half, minus half sin theta, minus half sin theta into cos theta. And then RHS plot. All your progressive mind is civilized human being. Please watch this and realize this. My trigonometry math solution. Everybody, all your progressive mind is civilized. Sorry for watching. Sorry for only and subscribe me. I am just analyzing further this trigonometry math solution. As a sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta. Sin theta half into 2 sin theta, then theta sin 60 plus theta. Then cos 60 plus theta, then cos 60 minus theta. Minus cos 60 minus 1, B, minus 60 plus theta. Then cos 60 plus 60 minus theta. Then cos 100 minus half. So minus cos 60 minus 60 is equal to minus cos minus 12 theta is equal to minus cos 12 theta, and then calculation minus 1 by 4 sin theta minus 2 by 22 sin theta cos theta.